Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Unite and Bake. Today here I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon rolls. These are a marvelous combination with tea and an exclusive dessert. So let's get started. So first I'm taking a large bowl and I'm adding one large egg and I'm going to whisk that a bit. And when that's done, I am taking 3 teaspoons of butter. It should be in room temperature, and then I'm going to whisk it again. And after that's done, I'm adding half teaspoon of yeast. And then after that, I'm adding half teaspoon of salt and 3 teaspoons of sugar. And along with that, I'm adding half a cup of milk. And again, I'm gonna whisk that all up. And after that's done, I'm gonna add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So I'm just gonna whisk that nicely. It's gonna get real soft and it's gonna all combine with each other. You can see that. It's real soft. So now I'm gonna switch on to my hands. I'm just gonna give it a slight mix and then I'm gonna bring that all together. I'm just gonna try to make that into a ball. You can see that it's how soft it is. I'm just gonna bring that all together. You can see that now. So now I'm gonna keep that for proofing for 2 hours. I'm gonna carve the cling film. Just cut that out. And then I'm gonna just tighten the edges. So after 2 hours now, you can see that the dough actually increased its size into double. The yeast has done its job. It's real soft, I guess. Cheers, yeast. You can see that now it doesn't stick to my hand. And you can see that it's really soft. It's having that silky texture. Real smooth. I'm just gonna bring that all together. I'm just gonna take a bit of flour. It's real sweet. So I've just taken that all together. You can see that how soft it is. Next I'm gonna take a rolling pad. I'm just gonna flour it a bit. A bit more. Now I'm gonna split this flour into half because for our convenience, I'm gonna use the whole dough. I'm not gonna waste anything over here. So I'm just gonna form that into a ball. Okay, so I'm just gonna sprinkle some all-purpose flour on that. I'm just gonna roll that, and then I'm going to cut it into a rectangle, and this should be the right thickness. We don't need it too thick or too thin. So now I'm going to add cinnamon sugar. I made it with 1 cup of sugar and with 3 cinnamon sticks. I'm just gonna sprinkle it all over the flour, and I'm just gonna spread it out. I'm just gonna equalize the cinnamon sugar all over it. And now I'm gonna roll it up. So I'm just gonna roll it a bit tight. You don't have to worry about the edges as you're gonna cut them off later. I'll just roll that to the end. I'm just turning the pad. And I'm just gonna roll the dough. Just tighten the end a bit. And then roll again. This has become real nice. So now I'm gonna start cutting it. First, I'm gonna cut off the edges. The other one too. Next, I'm gonna mark the places where I'm gonna cut. So first I'm marking the center and then the alternative centers of the center and then so on. Okay, so let us aim for a first piece. We'll just go all the way down with the knife and then we'll just roll up the dough. That's smooth. You can see that spiral. Let's just keep it in the baking pan. And then I'm just gonna repeat the process with all the rest. And I'm also gonna repeat this process with the other dough that we had. And now I have lined them up all in the baking tray, and I'm just gonna let them sit for 30 minutes for proofing. And after that's done, you can see the result. It's really puffed up, and the yeast has done its job again. It looks really nice. So now I'm gonna keep it in the oven that's preheated at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna keep it in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. So in it goes. And we'll just close it. So after 20 minutes, this is what we get. It looks really delicious. So now I'm gonna add the butter butter cheese cream. I have already uploaded a video on how to make this. You can check that out later. So I'm gonna transfer these rolls onto a plate. We'll just tilt that. There we go. It looks really delicious. So now I'm gonna add the cream on this. Real smooth. Some more of that. You can see it's really nice. It looks really delicious. So now I'm gonna taste a piece, and let me pick. Mm, let me pick one. What should I choose? Yeah, I guess that one. Yeah. So it's really soft, as you can see. Let's just stir that a bit. Yeah, that's good. You can see that inside. It's really nice. It's just delicious. Thanks for watching this video. Enjoy this with tea and as a dessert. Hope you like this. Hit the thumbs up button below. Subscribe to my channel and see you next time.